Yeah, hello everyone. Today's topic is preparation of phenols and properties of alcohol and phenols. First method of preparation of phenol is from haloarenes. Chlorobenzene is fused with NaOH at 623 Kelvin and 320 atmospheric pressure. Chlorobenzene is converted into phenol. Second method from benzene sulfonylic acid. Benzene is sulfonated with oleum H2S2O7 and benzene sulfonylic acid is formed, which is converted into sodium phenooxide on heating with molten sodium hydroxide. By acidification of sodium salt, it gives phenol. This is a reaction. Third method from diazonium salt. A diazonium salt is formed by treating an aromatic primary amines with nitrous acid at 273-278 Kelvin. Diazonium salts are hydrolyzed to phenol by warming with water. Here is the reaction. Fourth method from cumene. Cumene is a isopropyl benzene is oxidized in the presence of air to cumene hydroperoxide. It is converted to phenol and acetone by treating it with a dilute acid. Acetone, a byproduct of this reaction. Hence, this is a reaction. Here are some questions, so you are able to do all these questions. Physical properties. Alcohols. Lower alcohols are colorless liquid at normal temperature. The higher alcohols are colorless, odorless, waxy solids. Phenols, like alcohols, are either colorless liquid or solids, but they are usually turned reddish brown due to atmospheric oxidation. Boiling points. Alcohols, the boiling point of alcohol is higher than the corresponding aliphatic hydrocarbon. Haloalkanes, aldehyde and ketones, because alcohols form intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The boiling point of isomeric alcohol decreases with branching due to decrease in surface area. CH3, CH2, CH2OH. This is butanol. Next is branching 2-methyl and another is a tertiary 2,2-dimethyl. So more branching, so boiling point decreases. The boiling point of alcohol increases with molecular masses. Phenols. The boiling point of phenols are higher than a corresponding aromatic hydrocarbon, haloarenes, aldehyde and ketones, because phenols like alcohols form intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Question. Arrange butane-1-ol, isobutyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol in an order of increasing boiling point. Tertiary have lower boiling point than isobutyl than the butane-1-ol. This is also example more and more branching. It means boiling point decreases. Solubility. Alcohols are soluble in water because they form intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water molecules. The solubility decreases with increase in mass because the hydrocarbon part becomes larger and resists the formation of hydrogen bond with water molecules. The solubility of isomeric alcohol increases with branching because the surface area of the hydrocarbon part increases with branching. So the solubility criteria is primary is less soluble than secondary, and the more is tertiary alcohols are soluble. Phenols. Phenols also form hydrogen bond with water and hence are soluble in water. However, the solubility of phenols is much lower than of alcohol due to a presence of the larger hydrocarbon part, benzene ring. Arrange C6H5OH, C6H5CH2OH, C2H5OH in increasing order of solubility in water. Since solubility decreases as the length of carbon chain increases, so the solubility follow the order. Number 1, C6H5CH2OH benzyl alcohol is less soluble as compared to phenol, and phenol is less soluble as compared to ethanol. Now, chemical properties. Chemical properties of an organic compound mainly depends upon a functional group attached to it. The hydroxyl group determines most of the chemical properties of alcohols and phenols. The following reactions are seen in OH derivatives. Number 1, reaction involving the cleavage of oxygen-hydrogen bond, the reaction involving the cleavage of carbon-hydroxyl bond, dehydration and oxidation reactions, and the fourth is electrophilic substitution reaction of phenols. Number 1. The cleavage of OH bond. Both alcohol and phenols are easily release proton. The H plus ion attaches to oxygen atom. This shows that it shows a acidic character. For acidic character, let me have to take an example. CH3OH react with sodium, it will form CH3ONa plus H2. It means OH bond is break. Sodium take a place of H and they form a sodium alco oxide. This is sodium metho oxide. Phenol, similarly phenol react with sodium and form a sodium pheno oxide and hydrogen is released. In above reactions, alcohol and phenols are donating a proton, which suggests that they are acidic in nature. Acids are proton donors, whereas the bases are proton acceptors. Acidic character. Now, how will you arrange the acidic character? Arrange CH3CH2OH, CF3CH2OH, CCl3CH2OH in increasing order of their acidic strength. Acidic strength are depend upon a minus I effect. The minus I effect of the halogen atom decreases the electron density in a OH bond that make it easier to form a molecule to lose a proton. Further, the minus sign effect of a fluorine is higher than that of the chlorine, so the order becomes ethanol has less acidic character as compared to Cl and as compared to CF3CH2OH. F is having a more minus I effect. Due to a higher minus I effect of fluorine, it shows a more acidic character. Alcohols are weaker acid than water. CH3OH and the water is HOH. Electron attracting group minus I group increases the acidity of compound, whereas electron releasing group plus I decreases the acidity. Alcohols are weaker acid than water because the presence of electron releasing group are hydrocarbon part groups in alcohol. Phenols are stronger acid than water because they form a pheno-oxide ion on losing a proton, which is resonance stabilized. If we have to compare the acidity of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, alkyl groups are electron donating in nature, which increases the plus I effect. Hence, due to plus I effect of alcohol, it follows the order primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary have only one alkyl group, secondary have two alkyl groups and the tertiary have three alkyl groups. So more plus I effect in tertiary, so it is weaker acid than a secondary. Phenols are more acidic than alcohol. Phenols are more acidic than phenols. This is the example. Phenol react with NaOH, they form a sodium phenoxide plus water. This shows that NaOH is base and phenol is acid. So acid and base react together, they form salt and water. But ROH react with sodium hydroxide, no reaction. Phenols can turn blue litmus red, while alcohols do not have any effect on litmus paper. These two reactions shows that the phenols are stronger acid than alcohol. Now, what is the actual answer? The reason for the stronger acidity of phenol can be understood with the help of a resonating structure which is given below. Phenol undergo resonance and form a 5 structures. As a result of resonance, the oxygen atom acquire a partial positive charge. Because of this, OH bond becomes weak and they split off a proton. So they can easily donate proton H plus ion as compared to alcohol, so it become a more acidic. The pheno-oxide is also exhibit the resonance structure. Now take a look at the resonating structure of pheno-oxide. If phenol donate H plus ion, it become a pheno-oxide. This phenol oxide also undergo a resonance, so it become more stabilized as compared to others. Although both phenol and phenol oxides are stabilized by resonance, phenol oxide ion only carrying a negative charge, whereas phenol involves a separation of negative and positive charge. Since resonant structure that involves separation of negative and positive charge are less stable, phenol oxide ion is more stable than phenol. In another word, we can say phenols have a ability to form a more stable phenol oxide by losing a proton. Let we have to take an example of alcohol. Alcohol release proton to form alcohol oxide ion. Neither the alcohol molecule nor a alcohol oxide exhibit the resonance. Further, due to a formal negative charge on alcohol oxide, it has greater energy than alcohol, which make it less stable. So we can say that alcohol have a negligible tendency to form a less stable alcohol oxide by releasing a proton. So these now effect of substituent on the acidity of phenols. Electron withdrawing groups such as nitro, cyano, halogen increases the acidic strength on phenol. Electron donating groups such as NH2, OR, R, etc. destabilize the phenol oxide ion with respect to phenol, so they decrease the acidic strength of phenol. The effect of both in case is seen more at ortho and para position than meta position. Now question. Arrange phenol 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, 2,4-dinitrophenol, orthonitrophenol, para-nitrophenol into a increasing order of acidic strength.